A very good morning, students. So I welcome you all in your mathematics tutorials, and I hope you have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in your notebook as well as in practice notebooks. As I know you all are good children. Chalo, let us start with today's class. But before that, you know that you are supposed to open your books, and you open the book page number 168. Okay? We are supposed to start with question number 6. I am going to read that. Read with me. Express the following as centimeter using decimals. आपको क्या करना है? The question is completely in millimeters. You need to convert these milliliters into centimeter. Okay? So for that you should know the conversion rule. And let me tell you that 1 mm is equal to 1/10 centimeter. My dear students, you need to remember this. You need to remember this. That 1 millimeter is equal to 1/10 centimeter. Speak with me. 1 millimeter is equal to 1/10 centimeter. Fine? Okay. Now the question is in millimeter and we need to convert it into centimeter. So what we will do? 2 mm is equal to 2/10 centimeter. And the question says you need to convert it into decimal 2. इसके साथ साथ आपने इसको सेंटीमीटर में तो चेंज कर दिया my dear students, but you need to convert it into decimal because we are doing the chapter decimals, right? So very easy, you know इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? Numerator को we write as it is, then count the zeros in the denominator. It is only 1 0, so we will put a point here and 0, and don't forget to write the unit. That is centimeter. Why you need to write it? Because question says that convert 2 milliliter into centimeter. Right? Yes. And this is your answer. Next. Now I am going to continue with D part. B, C you will do yourself. It is similar type. Okay. This is a bit different question, so I have picked it. So here again what we will write is 1 mm is equal to 1/10 सेंटीमीटर. आपको ये बार बार हर सम में लिखना है. Why you need to write in every sum? If you will write repeatedly, it will be recalled in your brain, right? Yes. So I have written 1 millimeter is equal to 1/10 centimeter. And while writing it, my dear students, you need to बोलना चाहिए इसको. आप बोल बोल के लिखोगे तो आपके दिमाग में ज्यादा देर तक लॉन्गर मेमोरी में रहेगा. Okay? Yes. So now it is 4 centimeter. It is already in centimeter. आपको 2 milliliter को convert करना है. So it will be 2/10 centimeter. Because you know that जो भी millimeter का है उसको हमने 10 से divide करना है to make it centimeter. I have done that. Now conversion of decimal, you know very easy it is. जो whole number है हम whole number को कभी भी नहीं लिखते. पहले हम क्या करते हैं? जो fraction वाला है उसका numerator लिखा. I have written 2. Now what is in the denominator? 10. How many zeros? 1 0. So put a point and write the whole number. And don't forget to write the unit, and this is your answer. So very easy. I am sure you have understood it. And अगर किसी बच्चों को 1 2 3 4 बच्चों को नहीं समझ आया तो you will see this video again and again. Otherwise also you need to see all my videos at least 2 times. And then only start doing your sums, so that there is no problem. Okay? Okay. Now let us switch to question number 7. Oh, this is so easy. Number line. It is favorite of every children. Children love to draw number lines, isn't it? Scale से number line draw करो, फिर 1 2 3 4 लिखना, बड़ा मजेदार. Excuse me. Okay, question number 7. Between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie? Okay. अब आपको क्या है, नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ नहीं करनी है, आपको डेसिमल नंबर्स दिए गए हैं और आपको बताना है कि वो किस दो उसके बीच में है, वैल्यूज के बीच में है नंबर लाइन में. फॉर दिस वी नीड टू ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन. लेट मी ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन. बाय दैट टाइम यू रीड द क्वेश्चन अगेन बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प यू. जब तक आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आएगा आप उसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं कर सकते. एंड कैन यू थिंक ऑफ द आंसर्स? रीड इट. Okay, question number 7. See, I am drawing this number line freehand, but you are supposed to draw the number line with, yes, with scale and pencil, isn't it? So in your book it is from 0 to 12, but I won't draw till 12. I'll take smaller numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. Let me define it more clearly to you all. Okay. 1, 2. अच्छा, आप मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनेंगे. आप अपना स्केल देखते हो, है ना? आप कब से स्केल यूज कर रहे हो? तो आपके जो स्केल में है 1 इंच के बीच में छोटे डिविजन्स हैं. सेंटीमीटर में कितनी डिविजन्स होती है? 10. Isn't it? That's what I want to tell you. एकदम सेंटर में यहाँ पे क्या होता है? 5, है ना? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right, children? Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And if you want to draw further, you can do like that. Okay. Now the first question, it is 0.8. 0.8. क्या कोई भी होल नंबर है? 0 है. यानी कि आपका ये जो डिजिट है ये 0 से 1 के बीच में लाई करता है. Because it is 0.8. वो 1 नहीं बना अभी. And which is that point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the point. You don't have to show it. आपको शो नहीं करना है, बट अगर आप करोगे तो ऐसे मैं आपको समझाने के लिए कर रही हूँ. And if you want, you can do it. This is 0.8. So it lies between 0 and 1. So what you need to do is, you have to write lies between 0, 1. Right? Yes. Now let me tell you C part. It is 2.6. Now my dear student, we have drawn only till 2. And the question says 2.6. Yani 2 se aage. So let me continue with the number line. So we have done till 2. Let me stretch it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is 3. Now the question says 2.6. That means our number lies between 2 and 3. And this is 2.6. Isn't it? क्यों? क्योंकि काउंट करके देखेंगे. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 and 2.6. Right? So what we will write here? Lies between 2, 3. Clear? बड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन था. सिर्फ ये देखना है कि वो किसके बीच में लाया करता है. Right? Okay. Let us read question number 8 from the book. Show the following numbers on the number line. Again, this is a question of number line. I am not going to rub this number line. I will reuse it. Okay? आप जब अपनी प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक में भी करोगे तब भी रफ एंड नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ नहीं करनी है, बिकॉज आपको हमेशा नंबर लाइन स्केल से ही ड्रॉ करनी है। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, show the following numbers on the number line. And first question is 0.2. A point is 0.2. 0.2. So very easy. 1 and 2. So make a star here. Draw an arrow and write 0.2. Okay. What you will do? You will make a star, an arrow, and write 0.2. Fine? Yes. And next I'll take as D. And D part is 2.5. So 2, 1 and 2, 0.5. We don't have to show this because ये पिछले question का था. 5 is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make a star here, draw an arrow and write 2.5. Easy? I am sure you have understood. Okay? Now let us switch to question number 9. Read. Write the decimal number represented by the points A, B, C and D. Okay. आपकी बुक में देखिए एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉन है और उस पे A, B, C, D लिखा हुआ है. A is somewhere here. Let me wrap the previous question. Okay. Fine. A is somewhere here. I have already drawn. Then we have B. 1, 2, 3. Here. यहाँ पे B है ना आपकी बुक में? Yes. Then we have C. Somewhere here. D पॉइंट आपको अपने आप समझना है, राइट? सो अब आपको क्या बताना है कि वो कौन सी पोजीशन पे है. यू नीड टू राइट द पोजीशन. इजी, आप इस नंबर लाइन पे ही लिखोगे. व्हाट इज द पोजीशन? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means 0.8. Then we have position B. Whole number is 1, so we will write 1 point. 1, 2, 3. 3. Then point D. What is the whole number? Whole number is 2. Then we have 1, 2. Point 2. I'm sure you have understood. Okay? Now, let us start with question number 10. Achha, so this is a problem statement and it creates problem to the students. But I'm sure अगर आप प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स को ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे और डरेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि सबसे इजी होते हैं. जो हमने पहले ऊपर खड़े होते हैं सॉल्व, उसी से रिलेटेड ये प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं, राइट? ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट. लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. द लेंथ ऑफ रमेश नोटबुक. रमेश की नोटबुक की लेंथ कितनी है? इज 9 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 mm. ओके. What will be its length in centimeter? अरे ये तो हमने करा था. We have done this now. We have done this in question number 6. What we need to do is 9 सेंटीमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में रखना है. जो मिलीमीटर वाला पार्ट है उसको हमने चेंज करना है. And try to recall 1 millimeter is equal to dash सेंटीमीटर. क्या बताया था आपकी मैम ने? इसी क्लास में तो बताया. 1 millimeter is equal to what I told you. 1 mm is equal to 1/10 centimeter. Isn't it? You need to remember this. Always and always. Okay? Now I'll start with the solution of question number 10th ka A. And what is the question says? The question says length of notebook. आप चाहो तो आप ये भी लिख सकते हो लेंथ ऑफ रमेश नोटबुक, बट दैट विल मेक योर स्टेटमेंट लॉन्गर, सो इट इज गुड टू राइट ओनली लेंथ ऑफ नोटबुक इज इक्वल टू 9 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 mm। एंड आपको करना क्या है, इनको कंप्लीट को आपने किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, सेंटीमीटर की mm में। द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू सेंटीमीटर। तो सी 9 सेंटीमीटर इज ऑलरेडी इन सेंटीमीटर, आपने 5 mm को कन्वर्ट करना है, एंड वी नो दैट 1 mm इज इक्वल टू 1/10 सेंटीमीटर। Put a box. Now write 9 centimeter 5/10 centimeter. Why we will write this? क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जब भी mm होता है उसको हमने 10 से डिवाइड करना है सेंटीमीटर बनाने के लिए, तो मैंने वही किया। Now what is the decimal number? That is 5. Point लगेगा, whole number is 9, सेंटीमीटर लिखेंगे and this is your answer. Wow, बड़ा इजी है, isn't it? Yes. Now we will do B part. And B part question, let us read. The length of a young gram plant, means gram यानी चना, चने के प्लांट की लेंथ कितनी है, 65 mm. Express its length in centimeter. So very easy. Statement क्या बनेगी, length of plant is equal to 65 mm, right? Yes. Again we know that 1 mm is equal to 1/10 centimeter. You need to repeat this every time so that आपको ये लर्न हो जाए. Okay, now 65 mm is equal to 65/10 centimeter. Now when we will write it, we will write the numerator. कितने zeros है, 1, so we will put point here. We will write centimeter, and this is your answer. Okay? So you need to do this in your notebook. Complete your notebooks and post it to me. Good day.